Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Mercedes-Benz GL 550. This vehicle is featured in brown metallic paint with alloy rims, front and rear privacy tint, dual sunroofs, power liftgate, heated and cooled seats, as well as backup camera and navigation. Moving on to the interior of the vehicle, we can see our wood trim, chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons, seat controls with headrest adjustment, and then our memory seat option. We have two-tone brown and tan leather on the door panel, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in, our liftgate release, and then storage and our speaker. Front seats are featured in tan leather with perforated leather. They're heated and vented seats. We have our lighting controls, gauge cluster with screen, steering wheel controls, brown leather wrapped steering wheel, dual opening center console, controls for the infotainment screen, four-wheel drive controls, and some storage with two cup holders and charging outlets. Dual zone climate controls, our push start right there, the chrome button, then our heated and vented seats and controls to the vehicle, telephone and dial pad, CD player, and then our infotainment screen with backup camera and navigation, sunglass holder, and then our sunroof overhead. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our Mercedes-Benz alloy rims, paint matching mirror caps and chrome door handles, front and rear privacy tint. Around to the back, we have our GLS 550 badging, 4MATIC badging, and dual exhaust, power liftgate. Inside we have plenty of storage room, and the controls to fold down the rear seats. Now onto the rear interior, you can see we have our rear sunshades, as well as our chrome door handle, wooden trim, our two-tone leather, our window switch, speaker tweeter, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have mesh magazine holders. Back of the center console area we have our rear climate controls, heated seat option, and storage. Then we have our rear 60/40 with the fold-down center seat, featuring cup holders inside. And behind this 60/40 we have a 50/50 split bench, then a rear sunroof. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2017 Mercedes GL 550. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.